Hello and welcome to Fastex Exchange. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to create a voucher code step by step. First, head over to your dashboard. From the profile menu, then click on Voucher. Now, tap Create a Voucher. Choose the currency you want and select the number of vouchers you'd like to generate. Next, set the amount per voucher. Pick an expiration date and keep in mind, once this date passes, the voucher can be redeemed. Once everything looks good, click Confirm. Now, check your email. We've sent you a confirmation code. Copy it, go back to the exchange, and paste it in the required field. One last step. Enter your 2FA code from Google Authenticator, then hit Confirm. And that's it. Your voucher is now created. You can find it anytime in the voucher list on the same page. To share it, just copy the code and send it to whoever you want. The recipient can redeem it on their page, as long as it's before the expiration date. And there you have it. If you have any questions, our live support team is available 24/7 to assist you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Fastex Exchange guides.